clear.
Secure this house. Go for a sign. Down. Don't move it fast. Push up. Let me move faster. Heads up. They're ready.
¡Muere, hijo de...
Doorway. Right side. Hassan could be anywhere.
Room clear.
Good shots in mano.
No sign of Hassan. Clear. What happened to the families here?
The cartel brings violence, so they leave. Get ready to move. Stand by. Víctor 2, este es 1-1. Desplega humo. Estamos mudando al exterior.
Copiado. Lanzando granada de humo.
Where's your family, Alejandro?
I keep that a secret, hermano. To protect them.
We have concealment.
Let's move. Con mi soap. This is where they were hiding Hassan. Expect resistance. Todos los equipos listos para contención. Preparen para abrir brecha. Avanza, avanza.
Despejado. No Hassan. Second deck. Sí, vamos. Let's move upstairs and get Hassan. Holding at the stairs.
Hassan's here. He's in this room.
Secure the room. I'll cover.
Clear, no Hassan.
Todos los Víctors. El edificio blanco está seguro. Negativo con Hassan.
Entendido.
They must have moved them.
When?
Recently.
Quds Force, that's his flag.
He was here.
Alejandro's intel was good.
Comandante, el ejército está aquí.
A la verga.
What is it?
The army.
We got reinforcements.
Negative. 03, ya.
Entendido.
What we doing? You want us to engage the fucking Mexican army?
Estos son de Ibarcata. Helping the cartel protect Hassan. Hold your fire. Dig in until the damn clear.
Multiple vehicles, troop transports, light armor.
Hold fire. Let them get close.
Are we clear?
For now, we gotta move. Go!
You know these trails?
Very well. But so does the army.
We can't hold off an army. We need extraction.
Rodriguez, ¿pide la extracción?
Sí, comandante.
All guns, hold here. Take cover.
Sí, coronel.
For now, we gotta move. Go!
You know these trails?
Very well. But so does the army.
We can't hold off an army. We need extraction.
Rodriguez, ¿pide la extracción?
Sí, comandante.
All guns, hold here. Take cover.
Sí, coronel.
So, get behind the rock. Comes up.
¡Control! ¡Víctor 1! Solicito extracción inmediata en el puente interior de las aguas. ¿Me copian? ¡Control! ¿Me escuchan?
For now, there'll be more. Vamos. ¿Alguna noticia de Rodolfo?
No, perdimos comunicación.
Puta. Let's keep it moving. Through here. The mountain's blocking Cubs.
Call out.
What's the plan?
There's a bridge at the river. Extraction. On the ridge! Anyone hit?
Negative. Good to go.
Copy. On me. We'll have to jump here.
Can we make that?
Hasta la muerte, hermano.
Where to, Alejandro?
Go. Push forward. Rodriguez, keep working the radio. Rest of you watch for snipers. Use that ledge. There will be a way up the mountain.
Got anything?
They're out there. Believe me.
Control. La Víctor 1.
Grab that ledge above you, hermano.
Rodriguez, una señal de radio.
Negativo.
We need to get to the river.
Found it.
Escucha. Mira.
Coming heavy.
See, into a firing position. We'll take them by surprise.
Which way to the bridge?
Straight ahead, past the hilo. Try to cut us off.
We'll have to go through them. That's mine.
Have him here. Let's free. Up the hill. The bridge isn't far. Enemy position shooters out here. Watch your backs.
Top of the hill, Sergeant. We're moving.
There's the bridge.
No visual on extraction.
Comms didn't get through. Hijo de puta.
We'll radio when we're down there. This way. Jump down, Sergeant.
Cuidados peligrosos.
Enemy's still trailing us.
You led us to a dead end, mate. We just from here. Lose a weapon. Your turn, Sergeant.
Confirmed. Soap?
Breathing.
Move downriver to the bridge. Use the rocks for cover. All stations, this is Victor 01.
Go one. Hey again. You ready?
Contact front. Move upriver. Go. Get shallow overhead. Swim up. Keep moving. Not ours. Fuck! See ya. Cover. We have to hold here and get extraction. Likewise, mate. This way. Graves, we've located a vehicle for exfil.
Roger that. Be advised, we got a possible hit on Hassan, 2 clicks north of your position.
That's cartel land. They have a compound there. Load in. Shadow 1, stand by.
Let's roll.
Drive.
You boys good to roll off Hassan with some fire from the sky?
Let's wrap this fucker up, Graves.
Solid copy. We're pushing to the target direct. Shadow 1 out.
Loaders, get your rounds in the can.
Yes, Commander.
Nav, set heading for that compound.
Roger.
Fire officer, keep a hand on that hot switch. We're just getting started here.
Solid copy.
Pilot, you have the con. Once on station, circle the target. Bring us around.
Sir.
Com, get me General Shepard.
Raj, stand by. Shepard's up, sir.
Gold Eagle Actual, this is Shadow 1. How copy?
Loud and clear, Shadow 1. Send traffic.
I had to bail your boys out. Luckily, they have friends in high places.
That's what you're there for. Tell me something good.
We got a hit on Hassan. Approaching the target location now. We'll get this bastard rolled up for a little talking to.
That's what I like to hear. Report back when Hassan's in the bag.
Roger that. Out here. All Shadows, listen up. These guys on the ground, Mexican Special Forces, 141, they are your brothers now. Treat them like your own. And let's get this done, yeah? Yeah. All right. Ghost, this is Shadow 1, orbiting the compound now. Standing by for vision.
Bravo 07. Mark our position with IR laser over.
Roger that, 07.
How do we find Hassan?
He'll have an on guard. Cartel protection.
places to hide. Raves cover some close air. We clear the buildings. Copy the AOT. Markers.
Shadow 1, we're east of the compound. Position.
Off the trigger. Copy. TV friendlies are marked with IR laser. Confirm visual.
Shadow 1, Bravo 07. We're marking with IR laser. Do you have a visual? Over.
Copy visual.
07, copy your mark.
Shadow 1, be advised. Hassan is moving with an armed guard. You cover external, we'll clear the buildings. How copy?
07, good copy. Armed guard. We'll secure the area so you can move in. Stand by.
Roger that.
TV, scan for targets with an armed guard. Let's find us some bitch.
Shadow 1, there's a truck leaving the stables moving west.
Copy. TV, track that vehicle.
The truck is now moving southwest along the dirt road. Got unknowns ahead of them. Looks like more farmers. Stand by.
Do you see a weapon on him?
Negative. No weapons, no guards.
Copy, keep scanning.
The truck just stopped on the road.
Shadow 1, we've got targets at the greenhouse to our northwest. Roping now.
TV, switch to thermal and confirm the target area.
07, no visual on the target. What's the call?
An army convoy's getting ground. We go in, guns blazing, hope he squats. Lock him up from there. Ray, engage external. We'll clear the buildings when secure.
07, copy that. Keep your heads down. All shadows, you are clear to engage armed personnel only. Do not fire on the buildings.
Copy. Armed personnel only. Do not fire on the buildings.
Fire for effect.
Good shot. Good shit. Do we have any more personnel in the area?
Negative. No movement.
07, all visible targets are down. Over.
Shadow 1, copy that. We'll be clearing the stables building first. Roping now.
TV friendlies are marking the stables building. Confirm visual. Tally target.
07, copy your mark. You're clear to proceed.
Shadow 1, we're moving now. If the target squirts, let us know.
Shadow 1 copies.
Soap, freeze down the right side. Aye. Breaching.
Watch for squirters.
Got a woman and kid down there. Check fire. Unknowns exiting the stables right now.
Scan for Hassan.
Armed personnel right there.
Raj, keep fire clear of civilians.
X-ray down. Graves, negative on Hassan. It's a dry hole.
Multiple vehicles approaching from the south. Enemy personnel are moving on the stables.
Ghost, copy that. I need you out of the building. Move north right now.
Copy, moving. Graves, we're clear. Drop that fucking building now.
07, copy.
More personnel in the greenhouse.
All stations, there's armed personnel in the greenhouse.
Contact. Check fire. Hassan could be inside.
TV, can you get a visual inside the building?
Affirmative. Stand by. TV, back out of IR and scan the greenhouse for Hassan. No visual on the target. Appears to be armed personnel only.
Ghost, keep your men back. We're fixing to engage the greenhouse.
Solid copy.
TV, you are cleared hot to level the greenhouse.
Shadow 1, good effect on target. We're moving up.
Roger, 07.
These guys fucked. Dust them. Where is this fucker? He has to be in that compound. Shadow 1, what's the ETA on that convoy?
07, convoy is 6 clicks out. Advise you step it up and secure exfil.
I'll contact Rodolfo. Do it. Graves, we're working on exfil now. Be advised, last building we'll hit is the compound. How copy?
Movement in a compound, crew.
07, good copy. Hold your position until we clear the area.
Roger that. Shadow 1, troops in contact!
Check fire, check fire.
Hit it now!
Not engaged in building.
Level that water tower.
Man down.
TV, down our boys. Start raining down.
Hit him again!
Watch for movement.
Yeah, we're clear.
Ghost, no movement detected. What's your status?
You'll be alright. Round at the plate. Affirm. Good thing your aim isn't shite like theirs.
Roger that, 07. Be advised, you're clear up to the compound, but the gate is blocked at this time.
Copy. Give us a way in, yeah?
We'll open the door for you. Stand by. Negative effect on target. Use a missile or the 40 mic.
Boom. Good effect on target.
Ghost, doors open. You're clear to proceed.
Copy that. Moving now.
Enemy personnel.
Ghost, no movement detected.
Copy. We're pushing to the entrance now.
Roger, we see you. Be advised, the convoy is 3 clicks out. You need to haul ass.
Solid copy. Alejandro, where's that exfil? 5 minutes out. It's going to be close. Let's do this then. Reaching. He's moving upstairs. Graves, he's exiting the second floor, northwest side.
Possible ID on the target. More enemy personnel in the courtyard.
Yeah, that's a shot. Pull him out.
Target's moved internal. Southwest building, second floor.
Our boys can handle it. Keep him covered.
Shadow 1, we've got PID on Hassan. Moving on him now.
07, copy that. We got you covered.
Mexican Special Forces, you're coming with us. Shadow 1, Bravo 07, jackpot. I say again, jackpot. Target is secure.
07, solid copy. What's the status of your exfil?
This is Victor 1-1. Exfil is completed.
All shadows, no military convoys approaching the AO.
All stations, be advised. Convoy is closing on the target area now.
Copy that, Shadow 1. Good eye. Alejandro, what's the call? Engage. Shadow, I'll copy.
Solid. All shadows. Mex Army is considered hostile at this time. TV, you are cleared hot to engage the convoy.
Correct.
targets are down. You're clear to proceed.
Shadow 1, copy that. Exfil is inbound now.
Hook, line, and fucking sinker. That's what I'm talking about, Shadows! You know I love that shit! Comms, give me the gem.
Jack.
Graves, actual, make my day.
We got him. Escorting back to base as we speak.
Make it quick. We can't hold him for long.
Roger that.
Approaching a town to the north, crew. Off the trigger. Be advised, friendlies have stopped on the road.
All stations, what's the holdup down there?
Shadow 1, there's movement at the fuel station ahead. Possible cartel, roping now.
Copy. We'll recon the area. Be ready to move. TV, get a visual on that gas station. Pronto.
Copy visual.
Nav, set an overlay ID on the gas station.
Copy. OID set. Multiple unknowns in the area.
Scan for weapons, see if any cartel's looking for trouble.
No visual on weapons. Multiple unknowns south of the gas station.
Looks like a market.
Affirm. Overlay ID set.
Any sign of hostile intent?
Negative. From what we can see, it's clear.
Let's get this show on the road. All stations, no visible threats in the area. You are clear.
They're down on the intersection. Armed personnel at the intersection.
It's a fucking ambush. TV, get on the trigger. Keep our men secure.
Friendlies appear to be moving at the intersection.
Check your bloody fire! Bail out!
Armed personnel at the intersection.
It's a fucking ambush. TV, get on the trigger. Keep our men secure.
Friendlies appear to be moving at this time.
Aging danger close. Give me a sit rep when able.
Shadow 1, no casualties. Facade is secure.
07, copy that. Colonel Vargas, what's the word?
Shadow 1, we're going in a building behind us. Over.
Friendlies are moving into the restaurant.
Nav, set a marker on that building.
Clear.
Check fire. Civilians are exiting the AO.
Getting the fuck out of Dodge. Good on them.
Visual on friendly. Move to the restaurant.
Enviado, me copian. Habla Víctor 3-1. Solicito extracción inmediata. Mi posición actual es el techo del edificio de restaurantes en Olmeda.
Movement on the hill. RPG! Head down! Shadow 1, we're taking RPG fire from the east. Roping now.
That RPG's down.
Down at the church.
Copy. Engaging. Copy. Church.
Visual on RPGs.
TV, engage those cartel, but do not fire on the church. Civilians may be internal.
H31 está en camino. 5 minutos.
All stations, extract birds are inbound. 5 minutes.
Taking effective fire.
Guys moving to the gas station right now.
Hassan is secure. Still a prick.
And you are as mindless as your weapons of war.
Bravo 7-1, you are cleared hot to shut Hassan the hell up.
All shadows, we've got incoming vehicles at the soccer field, southwest.
Incoming!
Got TV engaged to a mortar position.
Mortar crew down. Back on the trigger. Enemy personnel to the southwest.
Clear to engage all of them.
Guns armed. Visual on anti-aircraft. Personnel are moving towards the south.
Where's the extraction? We're burning for a round
We got military vehicles moving to the soccer field right now. Rotor wing aircraft incoming from the southwest.
Copy. Sending everything they got. Well, hell, we'll clean out corruption in one afternoon.
Revive flag! Me queda poca munición.
Got their anti-air.
Llegues a un ready. Moriremos luchando.
Visual on anti-air team. Order cartels to school. Being targeted. Anti-air team is down. Gun ready. Cartel near the school building.
Hatchet 3-1, this is Shadow 1, copy that. Blue forces are on the roof of the restaurant building. HLZ will be hot. We'll remain on station to provide cover fire. How copy?
Good copy. We're inbound now. 3-1 out.
Extract in 30 seconds. Solid copy.
Anti-air team north of the bridge.
Shite them out. Here, last mag.
Missiles locked onto us.
Graves are exiting. Father requesting immediate air support.
TV engaged, all those vehicles. These fuckers gonna realize what's coming with us.
Check north. We got arms crossing the bridge.
More armored vehicles crossing the bridge north side.
Bravo 07, extract to the location. Take this
Copy. Moving. Copiado. Bendito sea. Copy that.
Bravo 07, HLZ secure. You're clear to proceed.
Moving now. Send a message to the cartel, yeah? What's that? Their reputation. We're in trouble fast in Las Almas. 3-1, we're set.
Shadow 1, Hatchet 3-1. All personnel and cargo secure. We are RTB at this time.
Keep fucking off, 3-1. Copy that. All shadows Oscar.
On your knees.
Y'all got a clear picture?
Crystal.
All set.
All right. You're alive, folks.
You speak Arabic?
No.
Farsi?
No.
Of course not. Then I'll speak your bastardized medieval English. Because you're all uneducated street dogs.
See, we're getting off to a bad start here, son.
You're talking to Al-Quds Force officer.
You're the commander of a foreign terror organization.
I can say the same to you.
What's your target, Major?
What was your target when you sent missiles to my land?
Oh, wild guess to nail your ass.
So insolent and foul-mouthed. You will learn to respect me when your nation sees fire.
You are in bed with the cartel, Hassan. If you disappeared, no one would know where to look for the fucking stain.
I have no doubt you'll take pleasure in torturing me.
Who'd you get American missiles from?
I don't care who they're from. I want to know where they're going.
Take a look around, Hassan. Now you can either become part of the food chain, or you can start talking.
I'm a hostage here. This is illegal.
You're a prisoner of war.
Iran is not at war with Mexico. I've broken no laws. These men and their commanders are the lawbreakers.
You and your beloved General Gorbani
Do not speak his name! You executed him and you will pay for your crimes. Allah wahdu اللي قادر على مساعدتك.
I want this bastard in permanent custody or looking up at the goddamn grass.
General, killing Hassan is an act of war. Keeping him is illegal. Right now, he is too hot to hold.
Tell me you're getting something actionable as well.
Working on it. Stand by.
Actual, let me finish this.
There's nothing I would like more. But Laswell's right.
Without proof, we need to turn him loose, see where he leads us.
It's right here. You can't be serious.
I'm afraid I am, son.
Did we get anything from his phone?
Affirmative. We got a hit.
Good. Now,
Take him back and let him